Yeah.
So could go down here and bounce off that motherfucker again. But I do think sales based off of how I look right now, at least down to that level, do look good.
Hopefully his next account will come in and we just keep flushing.
You tapped in?
Yeah, I end up getting in this shit. I want to see us flip.
I wanted that bitch to come up to test this 13. I wanted it to come up there and tap that bitch in. I have a limit order right there to get a better entry. But granted,
Stop filled.
Yeah, it took me out of that one.
I'm about to say that should be like a superstar.
I want a better entry. So I think we're gonna retest this and then keep selling off.
Stop filled.
Yeah. All right, I'm back in it again now, but I got a better entry now. There we go. Come on now.
I'm tapped in.
Let's see if this shit keep going. We up 3.
Yeah. Like I said, I see it coming to this 903, 900 area. Hopefully, goddamn, if it break through this trend, then y'all niggas could really goddamn make some good pay off this move. No cap.
Yeah, gotta keep going. 30 right there.
105 micros on this one.
There we go.
Oh, that shit tap me out. It ran to my
Stop filled.
That's how you do it. That's how you do it. I'm gonna take that.
Yeah.
How much did I make on that shit? I made 605. Nice little quick scalp on the drop. Cool. And that is the trading day end. I'm gonna be able to take some money out this bitch. All right, so that is the trading day. I'm kind of just gonna do a quick trade recap of what I was seeing and why I took what I took. Right, so coming into the session, I wasn't looking to take any trades until after 8:15 because we did have 8:15 red folder news being for the employment change. So I was looking to see what price did after that. This candle right here is going to be the 8:15 candle. When I seen us come up and we started going past this resistance level, I was like, all right, we might be longing. My only issue is the fact that we're already pretty high and we're just like at all-time highs. So it's like you kind of just got to be careful. And usually when taking a trade, you want to take something that is screaming at you, is what I like to call it, like a trade that screams at you that we're about to move in a certain direction, or a price screaming at you that we're about to move in a certain direction. So I was like, you know what, bro, I'm not gonna just jump in this yet. I'm gonna wait. Then this candle came in and started pushing up as well, and I still was like, you know what, I just wait a second, bro. Like I really want to take something that looked really good. Then I started looking at the higher time frame, right? So I went to like the hourly level, and I went to the hourly or the 30-minute level, I think, and I was seeing that prices came up to this resistance level a few times, and then we've rejected from this level, right? So if I've seen that price reject from this level, then we finally get a breakthrough from this level, likely price is going to come back and retest this level again. So if it's going to come back and retest the level again, I'm gonna go ahead and mark this up and have the retest level marked up. And this is where price likely could be attracted to if we go down and we break these lows. So I'm just gonna wait and see what price is doing. Then I go back to the 5-minute and I see this next candle come in, right? So the next candle comes in, and like I said, at first it looked like it was going up, and then it reversed and it started pushing down with a lot of momentum. Once I seen us break this previous candle low, I was like, all right, this looks good for us to sell. This would be a normal breakout level, but I did get in pretty aggressive on this trade because I did think that we would break through the level. And then also the fact that we started to bounce off this resistance level as well. And me thinking that we would come to the retest level, which we are currently now. Also, and this retest level does have the previous day high, or where the previous all-time high level was before. So since it has all those things and those influences, I was like, you know what? We get past this 13 EMA, likely we're gonna close past it. Normally, when we close past the 13 EMA, that is when you want to get in for an entry. That is one of my entry signals that I use. It's not the only one I use, but that is one of them. However, I got in a little premature. Like I said, I got in a little aggressive, and then I ended up getting in, and I kind of got stopped out just because when I got in, I started thinking to myself, and you'll see it in the video. I kind of was like, I feel like I might have took that one a little too aggressive. Even though I'm okay with an aggressive entry, I might have been a little too aggressive. So I'm like, you know what? Let me trail this just to be sure real quick, because we likely could come back up and retest in this level up here and then continue to drop again, which I've seen gold do. If we do that, I know that I'm going to get stopped out because I only have 2.5 points that I'm risking. And then we started to come back up. So I was like, you know what? I'll just go break even and I'll look to see if we can come back up. Then you see me get back in the trade because I said once I went to the 1 minute, I saw that we were retesting. I'm like, all right, we pushing up now. Then I'm going to trail it up, and I expect price to reject from the 13 EMA on the 1 minute. So once price started doing that, I went ahead and had an entry or a buy limit or sell limit set, and I was trailing price, and then it tapped me in. Really, it tapped me in for the same spot. So really, I could have just sat in the trade and waited. Obviously, I had the right trading idea for what I wanted to take, and price did play out. End up making one or two 2.4 or whatever, right? And then I ended up having a nice exit on this just because whenever price end up getting down to this level, we kind of rejecting it, came all the way back up to entry. I wouldn't want to be in that anymore just because I started trailing price down, and then I wouldn't have made as much as I did. So I ended up making a little bit over $500, I think, on that trade. Or no, I'm up $600 on the day. So, and I know I came into last night already up like 25 bucks. So I made what, like 590, 585 or some shit like that. So not bad at all. And let me go ahead and pull this back over so you can see it again. And as you can see, also, we are retesting from this level literally right now. So price is likely retesting from this level, and we can continue up from here. What I would like to see is for price to come up to this area with a lot of momentum, and then we break through this level again and we get another close to the 13, but we'll also have to get through this 50. If we can do that, then I think price will come up and start targeting these highs from overnight. Otherwise, price likely will either chop out or will continue to keep falling. So we'll just have to keep an eye on that or whatever. But I won't be taking any more trades throughout the day, but that'll be something to keep an eye on because it'll give me indication as far as how price is going to move tonight, because I also trade Asian session, right? I'm now $545 above the buffer. So since I'm $545 above the buffer, let's see, 545 times 0.80, that means I'll be able to take $436 out of the account today. My goal was to be able to trade this account and be able to show you guys what's been going on with the account, and then be able to request a payout. So likely whenever the dashboard updates, I'll be able to show you guys what that looks like. So yeah, you'll probably either see this, I'll probably either just post this video as is as a standalone, or I kind of like put all of them together being the second part of the video later tonight. I don't know yet, but yeah, that's really all I got for you guys. So yeah, until next time, on a better living.